Hello everyone, Sam is here from my forexmagicwave.com, making this a small video about how to open index charts. US dollar index, pound index, yen index, Aussie index, and so on and so forth. So let's get started. First thing, I'm going to show from the beginning, from the start. Okay, so once you subscribe, you get an email from me about, and you get the whole package. So this is the email you get. This is how it is, right? And the bottom you have these two folders. One is a subscription package, and the other one I started just now. This one to send the templates as well, latest templates, right? So what you need to do is download on your computer like this. Okay, you select download on your computer. The attachment comes here as a zip folder, and you will open it up once it's done, and then you go and select this show in folder. So you have here, and this is the attachment came, right? So you copy this attachment by right click and then select this copy, just like you copy anything else, and then go on your you know um, desktop and paste here. So this folder comes here. Open, double click on that, and you have both of these folders, zip folders, latest template and subscription template, right? So we leave this thing here as it is, and then we go and open a demo account in lightforex.com. Why I said lightforex.com is because that's the only broker I know who offers these index charts. Okay, so we go on Google and we type LITE, and you see Light Forex here. Just select that, and then you have a lot of options, and you look for this www.lightforex.com, LITE, lightforex.com, right here. Okay, you click on this. This is their website. You go on open demo account. Make sure you open a classic cent demo account. Classic cent demo account, not um, the any other. You have other accounts like ECN and all that. So you start filling this thing out, and when it comes to open what type of account, you will select later in the later windows. You select classic cent account. Another thing is very important is that for US residents, because this thing country of residence don't have US. So what you select is US Virgin Island or US outlying lying islands, right? So I usually select this US Virgin Islands, and that'll do it. So you open an account, and then it will ask you to, if you want to download the MT4. Yes, we do download the MT4. Again, classic Cent account, MT4 download on your desktop and make it up and running like this. Okay, so this is the one, and I have all the charts. So once you open this, open a blank chart. For example, I'll go and I select this. Okay, so remove everything. This is completely blank, right? Now what you need to do is to go back on your desktop again, and you see, remember this, we from the email we download this on our desktop. So open this latest templates, double click here, and index templates, and you have all of these that I sent you, right? So you need to do what you need to do is copy all of that by pressing Control and then go like this, click and drag. You copy all of them, right? Yeah, select all and then right click and copy. Okay, by left clicking, and then go back to your MT4, and you go here, File. You see Open Data Folder. Click that. Then you go see this templates here. Double click, and you paste all of those which you just copy from the desktop here by right click and then left click, press paste here, and those templates will be in this template folder. Okay, I already have it, so I'm not going to do it. So once you have that, then you can go back here and you see you will have all the templates once we have any chart here. So now that's done. So you come back here again on a blank chart, and then you open, let's say we want to open a yen monthly chart. So you click this, and all the way this button here, what is this button called? Create a new chart. And then you go all the way in the bottom, you see light Forex index, and you hover upon it, and you see all these indexes. So you select one by one, but I'm going to show you, for example, yen index. So you see LEFX. One more thing that you will notice that you have everything else is like pound LFX, euro LFX, Aussie LFX, USD LFX. But it comes to yen, it is LFX yen, the opposite. So what happens is that all the indexes, when they are going up, they get strong. The currency gets strong. But since this is the opposite here, so when the yen index goes up, that means yen is getting weaker. Just notice that. Okay, write it down. Make a note of it. So now let's open a yen monthly chart. This is a yen chart, and we will turn this into monthly, right? And then look for the my template that I just gave you, and you save in your template folder. So you go here, template, and load template, click that, and look for that yen monthly in today's date. So we go this yen JPYX monthly 49, right? This is today's date, my template here. So you click that and open, and you have it. All right, this is the one I just showed you that I already have it. So what it is doing is that you will have exact chart what I have or what I'm looking at and what I'm doing my analysis on. That way you will be on the same page as I. And it is all this a lot of work which I already have done, so you don't have to go through this. Now you know highs and lows and support and resistance, everything of everything, like all the indexes and all the pairs, the 8 pairs that we trade, 8 or 10. I have made monthly charts and weekly charts just like that, all the bullets and everything, and they will be with you all the time. So once you have that, you open, let's go and open a weekly chart. Similar, you go here, you open, you go light first, you go here, make it weekly, and then let's open a weekly chart by load template and yen weekly. We will look for yen weekly. Yen weekly, this is old, this is a new one. Here, select that, open, and you have yen weekly chart with all the numbers and horizontal lines. So what you do is that when you once you have this, then you open a 40-minute chart, and you you draw these horizontal lines with the numbers on. So that way you will know, how, what that thing is doing. I just showed you on my last two videos. That's exactly what I showed. So just watch those, and you will have it. What else I need to show in this video? Should I? Okay, so how do you open a 40-minute chart then? Let me quickly show you that as well a little bit. Here you go, this one, to create a new chart. You click that, and you go and open light Forex, yen, 1 minute, and then you press home button or 7 button on the keypad, and to go back as far as possible. And since I have done it already, so this is it. So once it's a stop, you go right click on the chart and press this refresh button. Okay, refresh, and so once the chart is refreshed, then apply that indicator. So we have that this indicator here, right? So you apply that, and you click that. No. Let me show you a little bit more. When you apply that, make sure that you have these two check. Then you go input, and you load if you have the setting set already. If not, then according to my instructions, you write down everything here, right? And you fill out the values, and then you press OK. Then you're gonna see a couple of messages here, right? If you don't see messages like weekend, you're not gonna see it because there is no tick, right? So what you need to do is you go on a regular chart and switch the time frame a couple of times, and you will get the message here. For example, I go on a weekly chart, and then I'll make it daily, 4 hour, then weekly again. Now go back on 1 minute chart and see what happened. You only got the M20 message here. because I think I messed up when I was downloading that. Anyway, so I'll show you here. Make sure that 40-minute chart, the second chart is already, it says true there on the indicator. Okay, so it will have the 40-minute as well. So now you go, once you have the message, let's go back and fix this first, because I don't want you to get confused. We wanted to open. Why I have two running here? One I'll delete, and the other one I'll make sure I have this. And let me see if I can, you see this other chart, you see the second, where it says second chart, you must have it true. Okay, true, and then you click here, so you will have the second chart, the message showing both charts. For example, here, go on a weekly again. Now you see this 20-minute and 40-minute, 20-minute and 10-minute. I messed up again. You have to redo the whole thing again. Delete this indicator, because if you don't do it the first time, if you don't do it right, then it doesn't work properly. So we gotta go again, make sure it is both checked, this, and the right setting. This is all the wrong setting, so you have to do the right setting, whatever for that particular pair. But you make sure that the second chart is always true. Okay, like this, and then you go okay, and you will have now you have to a couple of times here switch time frame on the regular chart to get the message, and now you have 20 and 10. I keep getting this 10. I didn't see the, let me make sure that it is 20 over there. Okay, you see, I'm gonna make it true, and time frame, I wanted 40, right? Just keep getting 40. Okay, so the candle may be messed up because all the settings, I'm not showing all the settings here, because I may do this public, so this video. So now you see the message 20-minute and 40-minute chart. So you go offline, this file, open offline, and then you will see the look for M40 chart for yen index. Once it takes few minutes here. Whoops, what happened there? Yeah, okay, and yen index, LFX yen, and we look for 40-minute M40 right here. Double click, and here you apply, you go here, load template, and apply the template. Look for the template and apply magic IB template. You will have it here, and boom, you have it. It's messed up because the market is closed, so don't worry about that. Okay, so this is your 40-minute chart. So once you have this 40-minute chart, you go back on a weekly chart and you take the number. So let's say this one, the bottom number was the 54. Let's say this one. Right now the price is here, so we want to see what's happening here. So 55.25, and you should draw all these numbers plus from the monthly, relative numbers, close by numbers, this one, these, on 40-minute chart. So there was a number 55.25, so we go here, see, you take this and you draw 55.25, right here. Okay, and just write it down so you know that what it is, right? It is a weekly 55.25. Okay, so it's a number from a weekly chart. Make it a little bit bigger. Here, right? So now you know it's a weekly number 55.25, and the price is messing around. If it goes down, then you go down more, and if it stays here and they start going to the upside, then you go to the upside. Then you have other numbers to the upside and the downside, so you will watch them step by step, and you will know exactly where you're going and what is happening. All right, so this is it. I don't know if I'm forgetting anything regarding to opening the yen, I mean not the yen, but the index charts. This is same way you can open all the other charts, okay, the pairs as well. So what I'm doing at most of the time, my analysis on this demo account of this light for us because I have to see the index charts, right? So what I have done is that with the index chart as well as see this euro index, all of those charts plus the pairs, so that I don't have to go through different computers and different monitors, right? So I have it on this one, so I can do my analysis, the indexes and the pairs. So for example, I did the same thing. I opened the index charts, and if I wanted to see a Euro USD, so this is the profile. This is another thing. Once you open these, let's say yen index, monthly chart, weekly chart, 40-minute, right? But you wanted to do the same thing, a page where you have all the charts of a same thing, like yen index. Then now you want to make an Aussie index page where you have monthly, weekly, daily, 4-hour, and a 40-minute chart for Aussie index. So you save the profiles. How? See this one? You click here and you name it. For example, I'll click and I'll say save profile, and I will do it, give it a name. I will write in English. It's like yen profile. So I don't want to mess up my old one. If I do the same name, it will mess it up. So yen profile. So watch what happens. See here, now it's yen profile. So anytime I go someplace else, but I wanted to see the same page again, like this one, I will have to look for this and apply it. So let me show it to you. Right now, I want to go and see Euro Index page. So let's go take a look at Euro Index. This is one, right? Look what happened. That is a profile that I have already saved. See, this is Euro Index. Now I have a Euro monthly. It's all right there. I have a weekly. It's all right there. You know, the other weekly, the daily, the 4-hour, the blah, 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 and plus, 40-minute and 20-minute charts, right? All of them. And this is a Euro index profile. Similarly, I have everything. So let's go and we want to go back on yen profile we just made, so you don't lose anything. But every time you switch the profile, make sure you save them so that your latest work, let's say if you draw a few lines and few numbers, and if you switch without saving it, you will lose it. Okay. So before you switch it, you just go in Euro and save profile and exactly type the same thing here, like or look for it. See this EURX, right? Same thing. So you save it. So now all the new work you have done on this one, it's also saved. Now we go back to yen profile we just made. So we gotta go Y. Where is Y? Yen profile right here. So look, we're gonna find that page again without any problem. You see, this is yen monthly we just made, weekly, 1 minute, but don't never close 1 minute chart because it's a hosting chart, and this is the 40-minute chart. It's all there. I forgot to save it. So before you switch it, click it, save profile as, look for yen profile. It must be on the bottom right here, so you don't lose the work. And you can go to any other place, maybe Aussie index. You can see right here the whole page you will see, which I have already made. So you can make all those charts, pages, and then you see this. So easy. You have every single thing on the tip of your fingers. So this is how you open not only index chart, but all the others. Apply my templates, and you'll have every single thing on one platform, nice and clean to refer to, and then you just take the trades from 40-minute and 20-minute charts, just like I showed in my last two videos. Okay, so this is it for now. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. If you have any question about these videos, just email me and I'll explain in more detail individually. Okay, so have a great weekend, which is already finished actually for me. All right, bye for now, and talk to you guys later.